Norm Rosen from RV Lifestyle Magazine with Tracy Lynn and Tim Kowalski from Biokleen. And this is one of the products, you know, I've always been skeptical about these things. I've tried so many of these that don't work. This product really, really works. Now we've got pink, yellow, and blue. So what do I use to clean all the glass on my RV?
Well, Norman, that would be the glass cleaner.
And that glass
Obviously.
cleaner is the really pretty pink one.
It is, it is.
It is. And this is, how does this differ from something just like your Windex?
Well, we say it doesn't haze or craze. It doesn't leave a film behind. It will pick up all the oils as well as the residue from any countertop or surface. Very good on stainless as well.
And cleans all the bugs off, of course, and everything else.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, Tim, what's the yellow one?
RV roof cleaner for those rubber roofs. Norm.
Rubber roofs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a 2-in-1. You can clean and condition all at the same time.
Yeah. Now this is also a UV protectant.
It is. It's got 70 SPF in it.
So if you're using this, you might not have to be up recaulking your roof as often as you might ordinarily do.
That is correct.
Yep. Excellent.
Yes.
And that pretty shade of blue.
Yes, that is our clean ways for the gray and the black tanks of the RV. It lasts up to 30 days when your typical cleaner on the market would only last about 3. So
excellent.
It's got more power to its punch. It's dual quaternary enzyme.
Yes.
So this cleans the interior of your gray and black water tanks.
That is correct. Yep. And it's got a lubricant in it to lubricate the valves, a cleaner to do the sensors in it, so it's an all-in-one as well. Retails for $9.95 for 8 treatments, and 4 ounces will treat 40 gallons of holding tank.
Well, that's pretty good. So this bottle will last you easily the entire summer.
Absolutely.
You know, the whole RV up here, a whole year of RVing up in Canada.
Absolutely.
It'll last your season for sure.
It will.
Yeah.
Now, for more information, they can go straight to your website, which is
www.biokleen.com. It's BIOKLEEN.com.
Excellent. And these products, we have used these on boats, and we have used these on RVs, and these really work. And my only task is trying to find one of the kids who's going to clean the RV for me, but at least I know what they should be cleaning it with.
Well, thank you, Norm.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Norm.
These products, I'm a huge fan of these products. These guys really, really work.